In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online fast as a college student with user testing, so stay tuned. User testing is a platform where companies allow people like you to make money by testing their applications. You first take a screener to qualify to see if you can take the test. You first take a screener so you can see if you qualify to test their product or service. If you get rejected, don't be discouraged because it happens often and there are so many tests that pop in that it's super easy to get more opportunities. They're looking for specific demographics per test. The test can pay up to $60, which is really good, and they only take an hour, so you're getting paid $1 a minute for that. You can take a screener like this, answer questions about your work experience and your personal life, and then they will see if you qualify. You answer questions about your work history and your demographic, and then they will qualify you in order to test their product or service. If you don't qualify, don't worry. Just keep taking screeners. It's easy to do and it takes no time at all. You could be making up to $60 just for one single test. And if you do a few of these a day, you can get a whole day's worth of work done in just a couple of hours. Usertesting.com is a great way to make money online. However, it's not reliable every hour of the day because you don't know if certain opportunities are going to be available to you. I'm a tutor and it's similar to tutoring where there's not always opportunities. Especially with user testing, the opportunities are a lot slimmer because people are looking for specific demographics for each test, so it's likely that you might not fit in those demographics. If you're looking for a reliable way to make money online, then you should go to my website, drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. I have a free ebook that you can download to get all the top strategies to start making money online, from affiliate marketing to e-commerce to digital consulting. I'll put a link above and down in my description so you can grab my free ebook, and then I'll direct you to the #1 training on the market that will help you make money online even faster. I hope you use user testing. It's a great platform. I've done website testing and app testing before and have made money, and it's a great way to make money on the side. Thank you for listening. If you like this video, hit that like button, and I'd really appreciate if you subscribe to me for more content that I'll be releasing daily. Thanks again. Take it easy. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.